What do you think you're going to find in there, you naughty little bird? This is firewood, it's not food. You think you're clever, don't you? Oh dear. What are you going to do? Do you think you're going to make a nest in there? You like exploring, don't you? You finished? Back into your normal nest hole. Yeah, I know what you're up to. Are you singing in your nest? You're very happy down there, aren't you?